Alright. What's up, everybody? Hopefully you can hear me. I got AirPods on because I normally listen to music. But I'm going to try to listen to music and talk at the same time. I don't think that's going to work. But let's do a winter wash on the Stinger. We've driven it through some winter weather. There's a lot of brake dust on it right now, but we're just going to do a basic winter touchless wash. We'll clean the wheels the best we can and try to get all this salt residue off the car. You can see it on the headlights. There's some buildup right here, but yeah, let's get started and see what we can do. So we're just going to use the MTM. We're gonna, oh, excuse me.
Damn. I can't see fucking shit out of this thing.
It's like 600 mils of water. Let's put 700 in it. Oh, water's low. It's got residual soap in it. Oh, that's way overfilled.
That didn't sound for shit, did it?
It sounds like shit. Oh well. This triggered all the fucking Honda people. Sorry, boys. Alright, so we're gonna do Brute and Boost together. Ammo. If you've never heard of these, go check them out. AmmoNYC.com. I just started using this stuff maybe 2 months ago. Everything's from Ammo that I've gotten. I've gotten most of the exterior stuff and just the lather for the interior. And this stuff is really, really good. So we're gonna mix the two together because Brute's low pH and this has anti-salt. This has salt inhibitors rather in it. So between the two, we're gonna do good with that. We're also gonna apply the best but the smelliest iron remover from G-Technic on the wheels real quick. We're just gonna do the front, because the backs don't really get that dirty from brake dust, but we have these like we have these hard street pads, semi-track pads. They're Hawk, HPS Plus, some shit like that. It's the one before the other one. Oh God, it smells horrible. I think it's the Hawk HPS 5.0. It comes in a red box. That's all I know. Oh, God. It smells so bad. But
God.
Come on, boy. I'll fucking ride that bitch, homie. Huh?
Ooh.
Bareback, huh?
it works really good. Oh. Horrible. All right, let's put some Brute and let's put some Boost in here. That should be enough. What we'll do, since this thing's full, we won't even rinse the car. We'll just spray this on and let it dwell good because it's not warm today. It's only 55 or so. But we'll let it dwell real good. And then we'll rinse it and then foam it again. So we'll foam twice, rinse twice. Excuse my mess over here. Everything's kind of splayed across the garage, as it tends to in the winter months. This is an MTM Lance. It's really nice, like that. We'll just stick that right there, and we'll turn this on. Right. Just primed. Also have a really, really bootleg DI system for this thing. Probably not going to use it though. What the fuck is going on? Stand by here for a second. Alright, let's try this again. Alright, let's try this again. I had to rinse a little bit. Prime the system. Tends to be a little weird, but it's got air in it. That's better. runs up real nice. This is a dinky little Karcher. It's only like 1.2 gallons a minute, so it don't put out the most foam. This has the smaller orifice in it as well. Let's fix our hose here. Son of a bitch. What the sweet fuck is going on?
Come on, you stinking piece of shit!
This is why it's always good to rinse with this thing first to get all the air out of it, because if it's got air in the system with this on it, it never runs worth a damn. Let it duty up a little bit. Don't mind all the floor dry. I had to do a oil cooler on a 3.2 Pentastar recently, so that's why there's so much oil on the ground. We will let that dwell for a little bit. And we used almost all that because we had to dig around with the damn power washer full of air. So let's try this again. So we'll turn it off, release the pressure, and we'll fill this up just a little bit more with some more Brute and Boost. That's enough. Yeah, just making a mess around here. Beautiful. Let's see if we can cross streams. Can we cross streams? Oh, this one's emptier. Oh, come on. Oh, that was a fail. Okay. Well, gotta look cool for the camera sometime, or at least try. Yeah, I'm really thinking this thing needs taken apart too. And that pad in behind there needs changed. I've got a couple of them laying around, but we'll do that if we really, really need to. You can see that iron remover really, really going to work. It's just pulling the salt off of it. We're gonna rinse it here in probably a minute or two. So just a little bit about the car itself. It has, well, it's been corrected and polished, and it has one coat of G-Technic Crystal Serum Light and a coat of Exo Topper from G-Technic. And the two together, and I maintenance it with Car Pro Reload 2.0. So I found that combination really makes the water just fall off this car, and it doesn't get as dirty as it used to. That's the best part about it. Drying it also is much easier. Spindle liner's got a lot of debris on it. We'll check the wheels. We'll probably have to wash those again. Might have to whip out some new, what the hell's it called? Old Glory Chemex. That'll be a nice touchless wash for the wheels. I don't need a front plate where I live, so that's a front plate or rear plate, whatever. But that's a plate from the Netherlands, so. I'm from Holland. Isn't that weird? You get the reference. 2 extra points for you.
Hey everybody, I am from Holland. Isn't that weird? Yes.
Oh, now you decide to have full pressure? I don't know what the hell all that was about. Water pressure in this town, or in my neighborhood, is really strange too. It's like when I'm taking a shower, I'm either getting what feels like fire hosed or getting a golden shower. I don't know what either of those feel like, but hopefully you get the metaphor.
Are you serious?
Super satisfied how the wheels turned out. So we're gonna hit it with Chemix Old Glory in one of my IK pump sprayers and see what it does. So got about a liter of water. Officer Rob Farr, give me a liter of cola.
Give me a liter of cola.
A what?
A liter of cola.
It's a good movie. Now it's like 100 to 1 on a pump sprayer. So just for the sake of time, we're just gonna pour one out for the homies. And yeah, it's probably super wasteful because that stuff's like $40 just for that 32-ounce jug. And it's never, ever that purple. But whatever, that just means it'll clean it better. Kind of fancy. What we do is we grab our M12 Milwaukee. Okay, air compressor here. Put that right down on the freaking fitting. Pump her up. Goes to like 50 PSI. 2.5 bar. So, I mean, 1 bar is like 15-ish PSI. So, if you do the math, it pops up on the stone. I also look at this, and it never goes past 52. So that's fine. And you can hear it leaking out there. Alright. That way we don't have to pump it, because we've already pumped something else enough today. Just kidding. Maybe. Turn the safety off. Just give her a nice bath. And I try to only fill this thing up halfway, because if it's all the way full, you don't get any air in there, so it loses pressure like instantly. So this is a 13 pH, so that makes it should make it a decent rubber cleaner. Tire cleaner, wheel cleaner, that's what it says on the bottle. So just give that a liberal dose. See, we still have to pump it, or we could walk back over there and pump it up. But why not just pump it? Keeps you in practice. Oh yeah, that's a position I'm very familiar with.
Pervert!
Let's pressure off of it, and we'll save the rest for later, because we only use probably half a liter, because we're not crapping out 10s and 20s yet, so we want to preserve that. Man, look at that fucking thing. One for you, buddy. Miller Latte. What a delicious garage beer. Okay, well, let's turn this thing on. And let's foam it one more time. The foam's really weak this time, because I didn't put much soap in it, because we really don't need that much soap in it right now, since we've already foamed it sprayed it already once, so this will do. Damn, buddy, you just gonna do laps around the neighborhood all afternoon? It's okay. I got an unregistered firearm for you. Just kidding. All right, now we wait again. All right, it's been a couple minutes. Let's go ahead and rinse. Also, this is my winter setup, so it's just the stock wheels on 225, 255. This is a rear-wheel drive one, and I run a Continental DWS 06 Plus because I don't really need a full winter tire here. Like, if we get 3 or 4 inches, that's kind of substantial here. So that seems to do it for now. But if we ever get to a point where we're really struggling with traction as these tires age, I'll switch to probably a Pilot Alpha 5 or a PA4. Just depends. We're doing fine right now, but we haven't really had much of a winter, so oh well. All I know is that I can't run those Pilot Sport 4S's all year long. They're just way too dangerous when it's cold. And I run a 255 square setup in the summer on a 5-spoke bronze wheel. Looks pretty good. Y'all see it at some point. Caught on the tire. Oh, now we're hitting the car. Beautiful. Jesus, just struggling. Alright, here comes the loud part. This is where I normally wear my AirPods or some sort of hearing protection. You can call me whatever you want, but this thing hurts. And I'm already deaf enough as is, so let's go for it. I think this thing's starting to get rough because I'd already almost drained it. Oh well, you were a gooder. Alright, well, that's how I wash my car. Well, I'll hit that spot one more time off camera. It's pretty clean. I'd say it's decent. It could use a tune-up here and there. You know, I'll go over the glass and, you know, any spot I see that's not too egregious, you know, we'll kind of tune that up a little bit. You know, we'll do this brushed chrome. Go ahead and tune that up with some Adams CS3. That's really the only Adams product I even use anymore because it's really that good in my opinion. So yeah, if you liked it, drop a comment, drop a like, do all that fun stuff, and we'll see you guys next time. Take care.